Okay, ito na yung pinaka-official na teaser, no? Whew! Let's not expect, let's not expect everything, just maging open-minded. Let's go! Blue, red. Parang ano? Oh, that's much better. Okay. Ay, mukhang original suit at okay naman yung yung spider emblem niya at I can see that yun yung ginamit nila sa No Way Home. Yeah, I can't wait. Back to the regular program. Let's go. This is Gabrielito, and you know what it is. Today, pag-usapan natin ngayon ay ang animated hit series from Marvel's Your Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man. Pero bagong lahat, nasa aking harapan ngayon ay walang iba kundi sila from Epic Hero Series and ZD Toys Spider-Man figure. Well, almost complete ko na to sa ZD. Ang kulang na lang is Spider-Man and Miles Morales. And nauna ko to. So, I'm gonna skip those two and stick with these two. Ngayon, nasa aking harapan, sino-sino ba nandito? Of course, from Epic Hero Series, you know, Miles Morales, Peter Parker, of course, you know, Spider-Man 2099 from ZD Toys, of course. Ooh. Kay Gwen, you know, Ghost Spider kung tawagin, Scarlet Spider, you know, Dr. Octopus, you know, ganda ng ano, head sculpt, face. Rhino, of course. Ito yung una ko nakita sa online. Yeah. Parang gusto kong kunin to and then nagsak sa Toy Kingdom. It is a must-have. And then Green Goblin, my first Green Goblin. Yeah, damn! Kaso nga lang, parang may kulang. Anyways, Electro. You know. Diba? Angas. Comic accurate. Must not. Nice. Ito malupit. Hindi galing dito yan. Shipping pa yan. Kumbaga may logo ng Disney. Patunay na first edition. Yan yung box niyan. Yung mga damage sa taas. Yan. As you can see. Hindi English, no? Chinese. But I don't mind. It's okay. That's it for the boxes. Now, patupik-tupik pa Let's cut them loose. And here they are out of the packaging. My God, nung ina-unbox ko sila, I'm surprised with the line of ZD. And of course, sa Epic Hero Series. Epic Hero Series. Oh, take a look at the details. Ganda nung sculpt. Naka-sculpt yung niya, webbings. Itong pattern na to, ito sa face paint yan, syempre. Yung mata, sculpt. See. Kanyang all black lang as in the comics. Sa likod, that spider, it is sculpt and painted very well. Fingers, same lang din kay Peter Parker. Ganda nung coloring sa kanya. Labas na labas yung kanyang blue and red, black and white. Damn! Kay Gwen, kanyang detail, tinignan ko talaga ng maayos yan bago ko bilhin. Pink, of course. Ito lang talaga, fix yung ulo niya dahil dun sa hood or I don't know, sa kanyang katawan. Fix yung kanyang ulo. No articulation products. Figure looks good. Kay Scarlet, yung details. Of course, back. Oh, yung back niya. Awesomely painted. Kay Scarlet, of course, yung kanyang silver paint ay nangingibabaw. Mukha tuloy siyang premium toy. Ang angas. $20.99. Yun know. Ganda nung paint job sa kanya. Okay yung paint job. Dito ako nagulat, may kapa rin pala siya dito. Hindi kita sa box, of course. Front lang makikita mo. You know, kay Doc Ock. Okay. You know, yung itsura. Very nice with the paint. application, although ilang kulay lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And silver sa kanyang tentacles. Very, very nice. You know, Electro, hindi ko na kunin yung base. Natanggal siya sa base. Madali matanggal sa base. You know. Comic accuracy. Take a look at that. Sa kanyang back, do may paint smudge. Baka pwedeng kalikutin yan. Matanggal yan. Sculpt, paint wise, very, very nice. Ooh. Dito ako nagulat. Venom. Ganda ng paint job. I think he's the largest one sa line kay ZD. You know, tail, claws. Very, very nice. Yung kanyang tongue. Pakanga sa teeth. Ngipin, mata. Very, very nice. Likod. Oh, no. Anyways, baka ako na lang gumawa niyan. Thank you for giving me a job. Rhino. Of course. Rhino. You know, face sculpt. Maayos naman. Paint job. Maganda yung paint job sa kanya. Damn! Sa kanyang feet. Rhino feet. Fingers. Likod. Of course. Very, very nice. Dito ako natuwa eh. May Green Goblin! Let's go! Ooh, pero wala siyang accessory. Kaya ang kanyang glider. Anyways, base na lang. Ganyan. No, no, no. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Nahulog. Kanyang goblin face. Armor. Look at that. The silver up. Of course, ang kanyang bag. Saan niya nilalagay ito? Likod. Putol na yung strap. Very, very nice. Okay, moving on sa kanilang articulation. ZD Toys versus Epic Hero Series. Let's go! Okay, let's start with the Epic Hero Series, Miles Morales. So, kanyang ulo. Left and right, of course. I think everyone has that. Shoulder up. Up. Side to side. Moves around. And elbow. You know. Same lang din sa kabila. No waist or hip. Nail. Spread. That looks awful. I don't. That gap. Everyone complains about the gap. Single joint knees, and that's it. Peter Parker here. Same lang din. And up. Side to side. Single jointed elbow. Woof. Woof. Save lang din sa kabila. Yeah. As you can see, no hip. No hip. Beautiful spread. Every Spider-Man needs that for the flexibility. Okay. Ito. Meron ka ba niyan, ZD? Malalaman natin mamaya, ZD. Moves around. Tayo lang din kay Miles. And up and down. Damn, Epic Hero. Do dig it. That's it for the Epic Hero series. Ooh-wee. Moving on kay ZD. Let's go with Venom. Okay, Venom, you got the spotlight. Move side to side, up and down. Wala. Side to side lang, guys. Lation sa kanya. Shoulder. This far. Yan, this far. Ayoko nang pilitin. Okay. Mikot naman. Up and down. Side to side. Wala. I guess. At mga ganitong joints meron yan. Naiikot yan. Kung pipilitin ko. Di kita. Kung pipilitin ko, it might break the figure. I don't wanna risk it. And same lang din sa abla. Yan. Okay. Magkaalaman dito. Ayun no. Diba? Ang angas. Okay, beautiful spread. Of course, the ball joint. As you can see. Single jointed knees. Naikot ba to? Although naikot naman yung hips. I don't mind it. Okay, kaya Rhino. You know, side to side. Medyo stiff. Hindi kaya. Yung kanyang jaw, mano sa leeg. Pero ito, may side to side naman siya. Minimal lang. Shoulders up. That far. Kasi may sculpt na, yan, narangan. It moves around though. Yan na. Single jointed. That far. Layo dyan. Impressive amount. Diba? You know, that far. Oh shit. No, wait. You can turn this around that far, side to side. Oh, it's okay. I mean, this one is awesome. Hips, medyo stiff nga lang kasi as you can see sa sculpt ng kanyang body, umaangat siya. Ganyan lang. Basta, ingat lang din guys. Beautiful spread on the ball joint, of course. Why not? Single jointed knees. That's for Rhino. Green Goblin daw, sa kanyang ulo, hindi pwede kasi yung hood niya or itong sa ulo niya. Oy, pag inikot ka yan, tanggal yung ulo. Yun lang. Same lang din sa kabila kasi naangat and then pops out. Although that it can look this far sa kanyang kaliwa, sa kanan talaga hindi kaya. Looks great though. Up, side to side, around and side to side, that far. Single jointed elbow. Ganun din sa kabila. Ba't ba wala siyang glider? Hips goes turn this way and that way. Although madaling salita, it turns. Beautiful spread. Oy, single joint knees. And that's it for Green Goblin. Okay, kay Electro. Yeah, head, shoulders up. That far. What? Wait. Angguluhan natin. Yun. Bigyan nyo lang siya ng magandang angle. Yep, that far. Kung pipilitin ko, baka masira. What the heck happened? Natanggal? Okay. Yun lang. May amount lang siya ng taas baba. Different angle. Come on. Yun know. Pumasok naman siya. Okay, therefore siguro ganun din sa kabila. Although makes a good range dito lang. Siguro sa kopya ko. Ito, single jointed elbow. Yan, ganun din sa kabila. This hip turns to beautiful spready. Not so much kasi may sculpt. Yan, napipigilan niya yung kanyang pag-spread or kick that high forward. Oo nga no, ganun din sa kanila syempre. Forward. Yan. Single jointed knees. That's it for Electro. Kay Dr. Octopus man, buti pa to, kompleto eh. Doc, walang problema sa turn, sa shoulders. Wala rin. That far. And move. Taas, baba. Left and right, in and out, single joint. Ganda nung range ng ano nila, no? Yan din sa kabila, that far. Uy, parang straight. Do the hips turn or chan? Yes, of course. Damn. Medyo ano nga lang to, mabigat, kaya lumulundo na siya. Okay, that far. Beautiful spread. Sa sobrang laki ng hita niya, hindi na makapag-spread, you know, that far. Oh shit, single jointed knees, ang liit, what the hell. Anyways, this is Doc Ock. Okay, kay Gwen, you know, ulo na fix, like I said early, fix yung ulo niya sa kanyang body, forward, up, forward, single jointed turns, hips, you know, buti may hips. Okay din, basta may hips. Beautiful spread that far. And single joint knees. That's it for Gwen. Okay, Scarlet, you know, head goes round, walang problema sa ulo. Shoulders up that far. Ooh, what a range compare sa iba. Turns, single jointed elbow, you know, that far. Single jointed waist, you know, it turns. Beautiful spread that far. Wow. And single joint knees. Oh, you want some of this? Oh, that's it for Scarlet. And last but not least, dang, $29.9, you know, ulo walang problema. Shoulders, that far, okay, that far, moves around, single jointed. Elbow, hips turn, you know, beautiful spready, yo, kick that high, that wide, and of course single jointed knees. Awesome details sa kanyang kapa, you know. Damn. And that's it for the articulation, for their articulation comparison. Oh, yung balikat ko, alay ko. Napagod ako sa inyo mga hayop. Ay, nako. Moving on sa kanilang accessories. Wala dito sa JD Toys. Bukod kay Doc Ock, dito tayo sa Epic Hero Series. Let's go! First up, Peter Parker. Ito lang, web. Same lang din kay Miles Morales. Dito naman sa kanya, dilaw. Bakit dilaw? Ano, may hepa ka? Otherwise, ito ang kanyang itsura or kanilang itsura with the accessories. Web shooter. Yan lang sa accessories. Moving on sa kanilang size comparison. Let's go! Here's my previous figure review. Selena Kyle, DC Spin Master Superman, and Jollibee's Pluto from Robot War. Sentry, McDonald's Minion, Donkey Kong from Joy Toys Warhammer, Intercessor, Fortnite's Rambo Pili, and Jack Specific Shadow from Sonic 3. Overall, this figures is amazing. Nanghihinayang lang ako kay Green Goblin kasi si Dr. Octavius may tentacles. Si Green Goblin walang glider or yung skateboard. So sa aking pananaliksik or sa aking paggagala during sa aking toy hunt, parang may nakita ko sa line na to sa mga toys holders. Pumukaw ng aking mata ang may potential na kanyang artificial glider. Look at that. Look at this toy soldier. That one is the one. Here it is. The main reason kung bakit binili ko yung set. This one, glider looking drone. Fire! Fire! Ang layo. Wow! I mean, come on, look at this. Look at that. Ay, itsura ng kanyang pansamantalang glider. Yeah, that was satisfying. Pero, may kulang pa rin. 5 lang sila. Kumbaga, gusto kong buuin yung Sinister 6. So, bubuuin natin ang Sinister 6. Ngayon, my category is this guy, Hydro Man. Ooh-wee. Kaso nga lang, yan ang ano niya, yan ang paa niya. Tubig. Wala man lang siyang feet or ano. Pero, what can I say? Hydro Man. O itong Marvel Legends buff Molten Man from Spider-Man Far From Home. Why not, diba? Sino sa kanila? Siyempre, dalawa sila. Sila available eh. Very, very nice. Perfect siya sa 4-inch line, hindi sa 6-inch line. Iba't ibang toy line, iisang universe. I guess buo ko na ang Sinister 6. May pasobra pa. Saan makakabili ka mo? Ewan ko lang ngayon sa mga ito. Baka wala na sa market. Pero may nakikita pa ako sa SMB. Ewan ko lang sa South Mall or sa MOA. I don't know. Pero gusto nyo pumunta sa Green Hills, baka meron. Pero hindi ko alam sa mga oras na to. That's it for the figure. How about the series? Marvel's Your Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man. Grabe, January ko pala inairing to. Wait, anong petsa na ba? What the fuck? I enjoyed the series. How about you? Very unique, very original ang ginawa nila sa timeline na to o sa story ng season 1 na ito. Dito, inintroduce tayo sa mga bagong characters like Tombstone, Pearl, na naging kanyang babysitter. Nico, kanyang best friend dito sa series na to. And a Black Harry Osborn. You know what? Okay lang sa akin. Kahit Blackman yan or Asian Harry. wala sa akin yan. Kasi, mga ano kayo eh. Ginagawa niyong issue eh. Pinalalaki niyo pa. Ang galing no? Stop with that bullshit. Napakita rin sa series na ito ang kanyang struggles as a pamangkin, best friend, as a student sa kanyang internship. And at the same time, sa kanyang pagiging superhero or friendly neighborhood Spider-Man sa Queens, hindi lang sa Queens or sa buong New York. Sa timeline na to, nag-i-exist ang Avengers, ang nangyari sa New York, Battle of New York, Chitauri, you know that scene or that moment. isa yon sa mga dahilan kung bakit o kung paano ako na-hook sa series na ito. Looking forward for the season 2. Best moments para sa all through the series, I guess sa episode 1, Symbiote versus Doctor Strange. Natuwa ako dun sa scene yun dahil our first Avenger, Doctor Strange agad. Wow! And at the same time, dito niya na rin nakuha ang kanyang Spider-Bite. A new recreation nung introduction ni Peter Parker sa Civil War. Dito, hindi niya na-meet si Tony Stark. Ang na-meet niya is Norman Osborn. Ooh, I know this scene. Oh, and that music too. Sa episode 2, ang kanyang first villain. Yeah, it's a regular guy with the flamethrower in his hands na nagsusunog ng maling building. Facepalm sa moment na yan. Tuwa ko doon kung paano niya natalo to. One smack, tulog. Of course, sa episode 3, ang kanyang second villain, which is a couple. Wow, power couple. Wow, galing. Yung isa, laser knife hands. Yung isa, super speed. Tuwa ako sa fight scene nila. And yeah, sa animation, of course.
Wag na lang magbibitime kung hindi lang tayo mag-hold up ng bangko with some advanced technology.
Sa episode 4, okay, of course, sa kanyang different kinds of suits na gawa ni Osborn for him to assist him sa kanyang mga missions, saving countless lives. Like the Asgardian suit, aka Piñata, yung kanyang Hornet suit na may wings na parang sa bubuyog, and that dark flying gliding suit. Looks terrible. Like Peacemaker's helmet.
Everybody fucking hates you.
At syempre, ang introduction kay Dr. Octopus, aka The Inventor. Ooh. Sa episode 5 siguro, 110 Gang versus Scorpion Gang. Episode 6, Norman meets General Ross. Ooh, die! Well, pinag-usapan lang naman nila ang tungkol sa Sokovia Accords or kung paano makapag-provide si Norman Osborn ng tulong kay General Ross sa kanyang operation. Ito malupit, Spider-Man vs. Daredevil. Ooh, damn! The animation is great. The fight scene, of course. Yung Daredevil dito is voiced by none other than Charlie Cox himself. You know, the Daredevil. The modern Daredevil. Sa episode 7, syempre yung Attack of 110 Gang Territory. Dito ko rin natunghayaan ang unang bugbog ni Peter Parker hanggang sa nasave siya ng glider ni Norman Osborn. Sa episode 8, Iron Man to the rescue. At the same time, hinuli niya si Dr. Octavius. Sa episode 9, yung callback do sa isang moment sa No Way Home, Spider-Man and Green Goblin. Dito, kalaban niya si Scorpion. Muntik niya mapatay, buti na lang may humarang sa kanya na pinarealize sa kanya na kung gagawin mo to, hindi magiging katulad ka lang din nila. Kung gagawin mo to, ito ay ika-regret mo habang buhay. That was a touching moment for me. Nice one, Tombstone. And of course, sa episode 10, ang pinanggalingan ng powers ni Peter Parker. Full circle lang sa episode 10 and episode 1 kung saan niya nakuha yung Spider-Bite. Saan galing ka mo yung spider na yun? Yan ang kailangan mong alamin para sa sarili mo. Go watch the season 1 and have a good time. Norman opens a portal and dun galing yung symbiote creature. Doctor Strange and Spider-Man fought the creature and all hell breaks loose. Yun lang ang akin for the whole season 1 best moment. Highly recommend it for you. You as a Spider-Man fan. Now streaming on Disney Plus. Nung January pa. I'ma give Marvel's Your Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man a solid 9. Yeah. That's what it is. 9. Alright. That's it for this one. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all the best. Hit like, subscribe, leave a comment down below on what you think about the figure lines, this line, and the series. And share mo na rin sa mga topa mong fan or avid fan ng lore ni Spider-Man or ni Spider-Man. Salamat sa pagtambay. Hanggang sa muli. And I'll see y'all on the next round. Go watch season 1. Go! Go before it gets cold! Maiba naman tayo. Hindi ko line to eh. But these two does put a smile on my face. Shout out to my big brother.